AI for president. Hope to be long gone before Terminator meets the Matrix, and then they'll have little baby AIs who will make all of us their minions. How many of us have felt like this, especially the last couple of years? Well, let me tell you this. The good news is we're not really there yet. Maybe in the future. Did any of you go to the Sphere event? Did you guys meet Owen, the robots? So you know how you can ask questions? I asked it. When are you guys going to take over? So right now, we're working with what's called a narrow AI. But have any of you heard of AGI? So AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, right? So right now, the narrow AIs are designed for specific tasks, such as all the examples that they were talking about in that previous session: video generation, signage, music. And today we're going to be talking about chat, right? But general AI, or artificial general AI, has the ability, or will have the ability, to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad spectrum of capabilities, more so like a human. So that's when we probably need to start thinking about this a little more seriously, right? But again, the good news is we're not quite there yet.